Jai Hind friends, welcome back to Aman TV. These days I was very busy with my examination, so I wasn't able to make videos for you. Also, you guys are supporting very well, so loads and loads of thank you to your support. Okay, so let's begin the video. In today's video, I'm going to tell you what is YouTube Creator Academy and how you can use it to grow your channel. So to open YouTube Creator Academy, you won't find it very easily on Google. I've already shared a link in the description. So if you want to view your Creator Academy, you can go to the description and click on the link. From there you can easily access your Creator Academy. Now let me open my Creator Academy. Over here I'll go to Google and then Creator Academy. You will open through the description given in the link. Okay. So this is the homepage of Creator Academy. First of all, let me tell you what is YouTube Creator Academy. YouTube Creator Academy helps us to make detailed videos so that there is no copyright claim, helps us find our audience and grow our channel through various tests and courses. Almost all courses are free and only some courses require pricing. So if you want to open your Creator Academy, you need to sign in. You can see that at the top right corner, my logo of my channel is given. So if you want to access your Creator Academy, first of all you need to sign in. If you are opening your Creator Academy for the first time, then you need to sign in. This is a must process that you need to do to avail courses and for tests. So when you click on sign in, you will be required to select your account and then you can easily select your YouTube account. Once you have signed into the account, you can see that this will be your homepage. So some courses are recommended for you and some courses are divided into categories. You can see over here, explore our courses. So these courses are divided into various categories. Whatever course suits you, you can apply for that. So these options, these are generally courses. You need to accomplish these courses to grow your channel, and these courses are really very helpful. These courses will tell you about copyright claims, monetization, community features, and how you can interact with your audiences. These are really very helpful features. So most of the people ask that what can I do to grow my channel? So this is the most basic step to grow your channel. YouTube Creator Academy provides you with various courses. So let me tell you that I have also availed a course, and that course was combined with community feature. So you can see over here in my list there is one course combined community feature, second is express yourself with stories, and in popular courses I have also attempted one of my courses. Just a second. At the last you can see popular courses and you can see interact with audiences with community posts, and at the beneath you can see a small green tick. So this small green tick shows that I have already attempted this course. So these popular courses will be very helpful for your channel, so I recommend you to do these courses since they are free. So I have already done one of the courses that allow me for my community post. The second course is express yourself with stories. So if you want to attend this course, you need to click on it and then you need to start course. You can see over here some details are also given. Estimated time to complete 20 minutes. That means that it would require you a maximum of 20 minutes to complete. The course is not more than 20 minutes. So once you have done this, then you can see level. I am new to stories. That means you are new to the stories. You haven't used stories feature in YouTube before. So these basic information will tell you all about these courses, and then you will have to attempt a small test at the last of all courses. Generally a small test is given at the last of all courses. This will help you in growing your channel and connecting with audiences. So now let me go to the home page again, and then I will show you what else you can do with this. So a Creator Academy, you can see on this hamburger option there are various My Academy, catalog, learning toolkits and creator resources. So in My Academy is the home page. In catalog you would see pricing options and other small and minor courses. Learning toolkits would help you in some of the materials that you would require for your YouTube channel. And if you are a professional YouTuber, then you would require to complete all these stages such as My Academy, catalog, learning toolkits and creator resources. These are not stages, instead they provide you with various courses and tests, and these will really be very helpful for your channel. So this is YouTube Creator Academy. These are the courses, these are the categories, and these are the popular courses which you can attempt. According to your time limit, you can easily attempt. Suppose at the beneath you can see basics, 4 lessons and 90 minutes. So according to your time limit and according to your convenience, you can easily assess these courses. They do not require any amount. Those are free. Some courses may cost you some money since they would be long courses. So this was all about Creator Academy, and here comes the end of the video. Keep blessing and give your valuable feedbacks. You can also comment if you are experiencing with any of the problems. So thank you and Jai Hind.